That exploded.
Yeah. Today, fixing this old girl. Zoom in right here, Jace. Got a crack in it. So Dar parked this Jeep in front of my shop, and I needed in my shop, and I grabbed it with a forklift and moved it, and my fork slipped off and hit the tank, which was fine, but it hit the skid plate on it and somehow bended in right here and poked the tank. Sorry, Dar. But we're gonna plastic weld this sucker back together today. See if we can't make it good as new. So we got a couple of tools. We got a plastic welder iron, and then we got this thing, 700 degrees on high. We'll heat the plastic up, get it all nice and hot, and then we'll weld it, fix the crack. We were gonna build a metal fuel tank, and we probably still will, but we wanna get this Jeep running and get it done. We're tired of it. I wanna work on something for myself finally. So we're getting this done. Graders is at the shop. We got the whole family down. We got Hot Rod Lincoln down here. Oh, it's getting soft. We'll set that thing over out of the way, and we'll go to work. Welding plastics just like welding metal. You gotta fix the crack first, so we'll V it out. Get to the end of that crack, and to the end of that one. Okay, now we're gonna start filling her up. Pump a little stuff down in it. Okay, now we'll blend it. What kind of odds you give us this of holding gas?
I don't know, like a 5 out of 10.
50-50 you're saying?
Yep.
I'm gonna go ahead and give it more than that. Does your motorcycle tank leak?
No.
No, it doesn't. I'm a plastic welding son of a gun here, bud. Oh, this is plastic. That's hot still. We gotta get some right in that area,
like that's
right
smoking.
there.
What is
That's plastic that we're melting right onto there. We're not done. Dar went to get some wire mesh.
the last Dr. Pepper?
Are you kidding me?
Color, no, still.
Dar's back.
Well, they got any?
Got some patches.
Oh yeah, that's exactly what we're after.
It's pretty hot.
Yeah, it gets hot. We want this thing to get pliable. We'll get it fixed. It'll hold. Getting there.
Does it stick to it?
No, I'm melting it into it. We're gonna suck that stuff right through it, and then we're gonna gob a whole bunch of stuff right over the top of it. See it pulling the
Yeah.
stuff through it? And then that wire will help hold the tank together.
About halfway done with it.
We're getting there. We're gaining. We're just soaking that stuff down into the plastic. And then we'll take plastic and melt all over the top of it. And it'll be better than new.
How old is this Jeep? What year is it?
89.
Which part?
Yeah, which part?
There's lots of different years in this Jeep.
Yeah. You know what Jeep stands for, don't you? Well, there's two sayings. One is just empty every pocket, which is true. And the other one's just everybody else's parts.
Yeah.
So the original thing on that Jeep was the cab and the frame. Everything else was off of something else.
Johnny Casher.
One piece at a time. Doesn't cost me a dime.
We're close. Alright. There we go.
That exploded.
Yeah, an old crusty piece we're trying to get out of there. Just need to get some plastic on here so we can,
Shape it around a little bit.
yep, just mold it in and meld it in basically. We're not almost done, but we're winning. We're starting to get it to flow a little bit. We're getting the patch covered up and it's melting together pretty good now. It actually looks like it's gonna hold. We'll carry on. We're just blending it all together now, smoothing out all the little holes. That's all plastic welded and bonded together. Gonna be as good as it ever was. We're putting the finishing touches on it right now. And then it should be welded. Okay. She's bonded.
I just make sure it's there. Put your hand on it now.
I think I'll be alright without doing that.
Matt's not here to check.
Oh,
Yeah. Done.
nice.
So I think it's patched. We'll find out. We'll put some water in it and see if it leaks.
If it leaks.
Then it'll be good. I'll bet it'll hold it. Well, it stinks like old gas in there. For sure. I believe it's fixed. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna leak. That'll be the test. We'll let her sit there. We got ourselves in a bit of a sticky situation here. Gaining a little, I think. Let the wind cool down for a second. We might make her, boys.
Your hitch is on the ground. Your tow hitch.
Can't do nothing about that. Don't honk, Betsy.
Almost.
Come on, old Chevrolet.
So close. There we go.
That was rough, boys. Well, I'm completely surprised we didn't break a U-joint or an axle or something pretty severe right there. Holy jeez, the hill. But we're gonna figure a different way out there.